Have you ever wanted your bullet points to pop in Canva but didn't know how to change their color? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will make your list look professional and eye-catching in just a few clicks. First, start by opening your Canva design and locating the text box that contains your bullet points. If you want to change the color of just the bullets without affecting the text, click inside the text box and highlight only the bullet points. Once highlighted, look at the top toolbar for the text color icon. It looks like a capital A. Click it and you'll see a full range of colors to choose from. Simply pick your favorite and the bullets will instantly update to that color. Now, if you want to change the color of the entire list, including both bullets and text, it's even easier. Click on the text box to select it. No need to highlight anything. And then select a new color from the same text color icon in the toolbar. Canva will automatically apply the color to everything in that text box, giving your list a cohesive look. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your bullet points can go from plain to vibrant, making your Canva designs more engaging and visually appealing. Play around with different colors to see what fits your design best. So next time you're creating presentations, social media posts, or any Canva project, remember this quick tip to make your bullet points stand out. Your list will never look boring again.